Hi guys, and welcome back to this week's Walmart Item of the Week. I'm Alex, I'm a personal trainer and fitness instructor here at NPTI, and this is Zach, one of my students here at NPTI. Today's Walmart Item of the Week is going to be this Athletics Works Push-Up Board. Now this awesome little tool is lightweight and easily foldable, and it's great for improving technique and can support up to 350 pounds. I'm going to take it out of the box, Zach's going to do a couple different variations of push-ups, and we're going to go from there.
Stop doing boring push-ups. The Athletics Work Push-Up Board is your new secret weapon. Every color hits a different muscle: chest, shoulders, triceps, and back. So you get max results in less time. Just pop in the handles, follow the colors, and boom! Upper body gains anywhere. Portable, durable, ready for you to crush every rep. Let's go!
Once again, I'm Alex, and this is Zach, and we're here at NPTI Orlando, and today's Walmart Item of the Week is this Athletics Work foldable push-up board. Go out to your local Walmart and give it a try.